especially when it comes to getting started, navigating exchanges, and those pesky minimum deposit requirements? Fear not, crypto-curious comrades. Today, we're diving deep into Newton, a Canadian platform aiming to make buying crypto as smooth as Canadian maple syrup. But before you jump in, the burning question: how much do you actually need to get started with Newton? Understanding minimum deposits, why they exist. Hold on a sec, why do these minimum deposits even exist? It's not some conspiracy to keep you out of the crypto game. There are a few reasons. Security: large exchanges handle a ton of money, and minimum deposits help deter bad actors looking to exploit the system for small, fraudulent transactions. Operational costs: processing a ton of tiny deposits can be expensive for the platform. Minimums help ensure transactions cover the basic fees. Liquidity: exchanges need a healthy pool of assets to maintain smooth trading. Minimum deposits contribute to overall market liquidity. So, what's the minimum deposit for Newton? All right, enough with the lecture. Let's get down to brass tacks. Here's the deal with Newton. Get ready for a surprise. Unlike many exchanges with minimums of $100 or more, Newton boasts a refreshingly low barrier to entry. Here's the catch, but it's not that bad. There isn't a single minimum deposit that applies to all situations. It actually depends on your chosen deposit method. Breakdown of minimum deposits by method. Interac e-Transfer. This popular Canadian payment method lets you get started with a very accessible minimum deposit of $10 CAD. That's right, $10. Perfect for dipping your toes in and getting comfortable with the platform. Wire transfer. If you're a high roller or just prefer wire transfers, the minimum deposit jumps to a steeper $10,000 CAD. This makes sense, considering the larger sums typically involved with wire transfers. Now, here's the super cool part. Remember how we mentioned Newton is all about making crypto easy? Here's another perk: they have no deposit fees. That's right, you get the full amount you deposit to play with in the crypto market, making the most of your Newton experience. Alright, so you've funded your Newton account. Now what? Here are some tips to maximize your experience. Start small, don't go all in right away, especially if you're new to crypto. Use that low $10 minimum to buy a small amount of crypto, get familiar with the platform, and understand how the market works before investing bigger. Do your research. Crypto can be volatile. Before you buy any specific coin, research its project, understand its purpose, and assess its potential risks and rewards. Explore the platform. Newton offers a variety of features beyond just buying and selling crypto. Check out their educational resources, price charts, and trading tools to become a more informed crypto investor. Remember, crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. The crypto world is exciting, but it's also constantly evolving. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Be patient, stay informed, and enjoy the ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.